Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are bringing you timeless elegance and floral charm with floral wedding cake inspiration for 2025. These stunning cakes are filled with beauty, grace, and creativity, perfect for your big day. The first one is classic white and rose cake. A white dried cake wrapped with soft pink and ivory rose. This traditional design is romantic and dreamy, a favorite for spring weddings. The next is greeny and garden bloom cake, combining acrylic tipped sleeves with white and blush roses. This cake brings a fresh garden feel to your wedding table. The next is watercolor floral cake. This beauty uses hand painting edible flowers in soft color shades blended with art with deserts. So soft and romantic. The next is flesh flower cascade cake. Cascade cake. Real flower cascading down multiple tiers. Bold, natural, and luxurious. Choose bloom that match your banquet. Popular in 2025 for its organic and elegant look. The next is 3D flower sugar flower statement cake. Handmade sugar flower state in bold color like fuchsia, coral, and plum. Create a dramatic focal point. These look real but are all edible, ideal for grand wedding receptions or luxury events. The next is lace and floral fusion cake. This elegant cake combines floral piping with edible lace, soft pink tones, peach roses make it perfect for vintage wedding. The next is minimalist single bloom cake. Less or more. A clean white cake with single little bloom like a pony or rose in the center or in the corner. Understand yet unforgettable. Perfect for intimate and modern weddings. The next is gold burgundy floral cake. Deep burgundy flower with gold accent make this cake stand out. Rich, royal, and stunning. A favorite for fall and winter weddings. The next is semi-necked floral cake. The next is tall tire floral cake. A five-star tire masterpiece overflowing with sugar and real flowers. This one is for the bride who wants everything big, bold, and beautiful. Each of these floral wedding cakes brings someone something unique from classic elegance to modern magic. Whether you are a bride or a baker, there is inspiration for here for every love story. Which floral cake do you like the most? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory.